Ganadong-ganado ayo. Good afternoon! We're back again here at Seton Holiday Resort. We're going to swim again. So today, andito kami sa Adventure Park here in Seton. Let's try these obstacles. So i-try muna natin tong lower ropes, which is 17 euro. Pwede tayong mag-upgrade sa higher ropes if gusto natin. Mag-pay lang ng additional 8 euro. So try muna natin tong sa lower. Meron din sila nito. Kaso ang mahal, uy. So dito na lang tayo. Go more there. I'm going. Let's go! Let's go! Bye-bye! Oh, I made it! First try. Kaso nasugatan ako. Yung isa nag-give up na. Nalaglag kami doon kanina pero umakyat pa din ako. Yeah. You wanna try again? I wanna go upstairs. Up. There.
You have to try the high one.
High one.
I'm not allowed, I think.
Why? Are you scared? How was it?
It's okay.
Ah, you didn't finish it. I did. Yeah, I got hand burn. It's so painful because of the rope.
Yeah.
But yeah, it was fine. Nag-give up siya dun sa isa. You go first. Hey, are you okay? Where did you go, Scott? So silly. Where did you go? Cock. See, you did it. I have a painful arm now. I mean, a painful hand. Oh, you might hit me. I'm gonna go here. 10 more. You can do it. Fighting. Ganadong-ganado ayo. Don't worry, I have the ladder here. You can do it. Malapit na. It's almost halfway. Benye mo. Barum, you're doing exercise and you're tired already. How come? Good morning, my sassy babes. Today is Thursday. And we're going to Seton Holiday Resort for the last time. Kasi bukas na yung aming flight. So, yeah, last time na. Gusto ni Justin mag-paddleboard. And since kahapon, climbing kami. Kaya, ayan, masakit ang katawan ko. So, hindi ako magsuswim ngayon. Si Justin lang gusto niya itry yung paddleboard. Right, Scott?
No.
No. Then why are we going here? We're just gonna chill. Daming grapes. Tamo, grabe. Ewan ko kung binibenta nila yan or ginagawa nilang wine. Daming wild blackberries. Go is here. So far. niligo ko siya, pero okay naman. Beautiful. Say hi. Airport check. Bakit? Nakakaloka. Itong katabi namin kanina dito. Yung sasanda lang ako sa dito sa inuupuan ko. Nag-alarm yung nasa katabi namin na bago. May aso pala. Tapos si Justin tawa ng tawa, baliw. You keep laughing at me. Kinabahan ako. Sabi ko, ba't nag-a-alarm? May aso pala. One more flight and we're home. My belly.